I know I did.
Can we go and talk in the living room with you?
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. Why don't you ladies just go in there? Dad. Father has not spoken to me or even looked at me since last night.
Well, I heard what you said last night.
What are you doing anything wrong? I came in a little late. I called her. I called her from the restaurant. She said, stay and enjoy yourself. Yeah. When Tommy told me that she couldn't go to dinner last night, I told her that I was going. And she said, I remember exactly. She said, I think you should go and have a Then I told her again I can't. And she said, go. 3 times, Dad, we did this. And finally I said, okay, I'll go. And I went. You know, you are a very intelligent with us. What do you mean?